In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert drawings or shapes in Google Docs. This can be a great way to enhance your documents, whether you're creating a professional report or a simple project for school. Adding visuals can make your documents not just more appealing, but also more comprehensible. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to have your Google Doc open and ready. Once you're there, look towards the upper part of your screen and find the Insert option in the menu bar. This is where you'll access various editing tools that Google Docs offers beyond just text input. Give it a click, and you'll see a drop-down menu. Keep in mind that getting familiar with this menu is quite useful as it encompasses many tools that can elevate your document's appearance significantly. Next, you need to navigate to the Drawing option within that same menu. Hover over Drawing, and you'll note two choices, either to work with a new drawing or to choose an existing one. For our purposes, you'll want to click on New. This action will open a fresh canvas where all the exciting work begins. Now, with your new drawing window open, look for the Shape icon, which appears as a circle overlapping a square. Clicking this icon lets you explore a plethora of shape options like arrows, callouts, and equation shapes, among others. It's quite diverse, so take a moment to decide which shape suits your needs best. When you've made your choice, simply click on the shape you wish to use. Once your shape is in the drawing area, you might want it to fit certain dimensions or adjust it to complement the document's layout. You can manage this by clicking on the edges or corners of the shape and dragging to resize it. This is straightforward, but if you're looking for precision, keep an eye on how the shape looks within the context of your document. When your shape looks just right and you're ready to implement it into your document, simply click Save and Close. The shape will seamlessly appear in your Google Doc, becoming a part of your document. You can then further edit or move it as needed within the document. This process not only adds a visual element to your work, but also allows for detailed and customizable illustrations that can aid in better understanding or breaking the monotony of long textual information. So, experiment with different shapes and layouts to see how they can enhance your documents. Happy creating, and thanks for tuning in.